Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and positioning the QR code where the camera can see it clearly. Tap the search bar, then the QR scanner icon if visible. Otherwise, use your phone's camera app and tap the detected link. Once the link preview appears, tap it to open the location in Maps. Make sure location services are active so the app can show nearby context and directions. This first step gets you into Maps and immediately loads the QR-provided playstation. Once the QR code is scanned, you'll see a URL or a Maps card. Tap to open it and verify details. Look for the place name, address, photos, and the small coordinates under the title to confirm accuracy. If the card shows multiple results, swipe and pick the correct one, then tap Directions to test routing. This verification step prevents wrong destinations and lets you confirm the QR directed you to the intended spot before following navigation. After you open the place, tap Directions, choose Driving, Walking, or Transit, then tap Start to begin turn-by-turn navigation. If the scanner can't read the code, move to brighter light, steady the camera, or take a screenshot and scan that image from another device. Make sure no reflections obscure the pattern. If problems persist, clear Maps cache or update the app. Doing so often resolves buggy behavior and gets you back to reliably opening QR-linked locations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.